Hello guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about very important, very crucial topic, that is Masters of Physiotherapy. So options available for this field for pursuing Masters in Physiotherapy. So let's dive in. So first we'll discuss about our university, that is Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, which provide 5 specializations for pursuing Masters in Physiotherapy. So the first field is musculoskeletal, which I am pursuing right now. So in that you have to deal with different types of patients like fracture cases, then post-op cases, then any ligament tear, any tendon tear, any muscle strain, ligament sprain, or sports injuries. You have to deal with all these conditions in your masters of musculoskeletal. Second field is neurophysio, in which you have to deal with different cases like neurological cases in adults. There are two options: adults neuro or peds neuro. In adults neuro, you have to deal with stroke patients, Parkinson patient, multiple sclerosis patient, and different conditions which gives neurological deficits to patients. In peds neuro, you have to deal with children's, infants, and neonates like cerebral palsy childs, then autism, then Down syndrome, global development delay. So you have to deal with all these conditions in peds neuro. In your masters you will get the chance to treat the patients in pediatric ICU, then neonatal ICU, like that. So you have to work in ICUs also in neuro. Then the next is cardiopulmonary, where you have to deal with different cardiac cases, different pulmonary cases like COPD, asthma, bronchiectasis, post TB sequelae. In cardiac, there are post-op cases like CABG, open heart surgery, triple vessel disease, and different myocardial infarction, and so many conditions. You have to deal with all that. If you are one who is interested in treating patients at ICU, in ICU, you can choose cardiopulmonary as a specialization, because after COVID, you can see that changes the perspective of people to see towards cardiopulmonary physiotherapist. There are a lot of opportunities are available for cardiopulmonary physiotherapist, so you can opt for it. The next field is sports. The one who is very much enthusiast and very much into sports, it's most demanding nowadays, and you can go for it. But there are very less seats under MHS in Maharashtra, so think wisely. Next field is CBR, that is community-based rehabilitation, where you will get to work with communities like different camps for women's health, different camps for geriatric people, community. So you have to go into community and work with them in the community. So this is also most demanding field nowadays. So there are some fields which are not available under MHS. So like pediatrics, specialization in pediatrics, specialization in geriatrics, where you will get to work with geriatric community, old age people, to work on their balance, strength, and to improve their quality of life. So there is special field for geriatrics, pediatrics, and women's health also. But those courses are not provided by MHS for now. This was all about it. So think about your specialization, think about your interest, and choose your career wisely, because everything will depend on your one choice. Your career get one direction after your masters, so choose your field wisely. So don't worry, I am going to post many videos about what to do after BPTH, and if not masters, then which field we can pursue for. So don't worry and stay tuned for more such informative videos, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also check out my Instagram handle physiosanket05 for more educational videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.